Hi everyone, welcome to HBEC1103, Introduction to Early Childhood Education. I'm excited to meet you this semester on this online platform. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the fundamental concepts in early childhood education, critically explain theories of learning and development that influence early childhood education and relate them into their teaching practices. Evaluate different types of early childhood models and programs and their best practices. Lastly, organize appropriate environment assessment based on appropriate practices and children's specific needs. We have Google Meet meetings, e-lessons, e-forum sessions, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. Please take your time reading these materials. That's all for now. I wish you all the best and thank you.